Mona Lisa, go sweep off your feet. Let's go. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Friday. Yeah, kind of the same, Peter. I don't know. Let's see. Good morning, Pizza. Good morning, Emmer. Good morning, Christian. Ziva, Veronica. Good morning, Tesh. Good morning, Carla. Good morning, Brett. Good morning, Wi-Fi. Hey, yo, Dave. Let's go. James, good morning, you criminal. Carla, good morning. Pablo, hey, yo. Let's go. Chapman, good morning. Hi, guys. Let's go. Jason, you're finally getting your market crash, aren't you? SPY at 370. A lot lower this morning, though. Yeah. Let's go. Sunrise. Bless sunrise to you all. Let's go, Joe. Andrew, good morning. Good morning. Thank you, Emma. Thank you. Soon. I was looking at this article and I thought it was funny. So Google CEO tells employees to equate fun with money in heated all hands meeting. Wow. I mean, the CEO was like, what's your goal in life? It's fun? No, it's money. No. What other thing do you want to accomplish in life? It has to be monies. Please, don't have fun. Have fun while making me monies, please and thank you. How about that? Cool. Please. I hope all your la response with one of the toughest conditions. Okay, blah blah blah. Yeah, there's more to this. Depends on how you have fun. Yes, pizza. You can have fun as long as you're making monies. Is what he's saying. So, anyways, is the week over yet? Don't worry, it's almost over. Wow, these guys would do want the week to be over. Is this week over yet? Number one headline as the market crashes. Well, not crashes, but retraces. FedEx tries to stop the bleeding. Blah blah blah. Nuclear threats. Okay. Bed Bath and Beyond. Wait, what? Survive? Why are they surviving? With turnaround plan as the shares price in love. Get out of la. Bed Bath and Beyond is la 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 la. Loan and national brands. Okay, sounds good. Blah blah blah. Okay, cool. That's why I want Peter. Looks like key levels are about to be broken soon. Yeah, I mean, like we wanted that 365, right? So we're very close. Very, very close. Wait. Hey yo, Virgo. Are you not mad at me anymore? Don't be mad, okay? Please. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Money is not fun, Joe says. Money is not fun. White House impact of producing cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin could impede U.S. effort to climate change. Interesting. The White House says the environmental impact of producing cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Huh. That's why I bet you that's why some of these like cleaner coins will do really well, right? So yeah, I bet you that's why Algorand has been doing so well lately. Um, Bridge, just when you think you bought at a good price, yeah, it's just the entire market selling off pizza, right? Um, yeah, Tesla's usually done well with negative news. Usually has because I know we've questioned it over and over. Like Tesla, why is it pumping when they're getting bad news? But it's just the entire market selling off. Long puts until spring of 23. Spider long puts. Wow, those are some expensive puts. So, anyways, market opens in 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Pre-market movers. See, I'm gonna refresh this list. There's not a whole lot on here, right? So again, so Pablo posted that article in Discord about why names like LITM, ELBM are moving, right? So we talked about ELBM yesterday because it was halted anyways, um, right? So TTO, some news there, and then Sun X is up 40%, 40%. I like opening all these rubbish tabs here. Pizza. You have no idea how much I Mindy will roast you like a goat, because yeah, 250. Yeah, LITM is yeah, would be the first name on here that I'd be watching this morning. Obviously, Sava's down 25% today, right? So that thing exploded to $50. $50 is a big level. These guys are doing an offering SBEV, and then obviously again there's some more names on here, right, that we've covered before. All rubbish for now. Can I? There you go. Perfect. So if you see anything on here that you like, let me know. I'll take a look. Right. So this week it's been like the mornings are fun, right? Like the first 2 hours are fun. And then after that, sounds like you need a going in your yeah. Sounds you can tell yeah. And where's your tea? Oh, I finished it. I finished the tea before I came on, Joe. I finished it. Now I just have some warm water here. Let's go, stewards. Come on now, Omega. Hello. Yeah, yeah. No, the tea was good. It was yeah. Hopefully my yeah. Hopefully that helps a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. So again, the mornings have been fun, right? Volume comes in the morning, and then people move on, right? So we'll see what happens here. Anyways, market opens in 3 minutes. Stuart, did you see the article that Pablo posted in Discord about like cryptocurrency and like just environmental, like just look at the article. And John, hello. Just refined carbs. Yeah. Today's gonna be slow. Yeah, it like couple. I mean, it's a Friday, right? Chronos 15%. Ooh, la la. Right. So again, it's Friday. Yeah, I did indeed absolute nonsense. AVCT. I'll take a look at AVCT as well. So anyways, let me set up some names here to watch as the market opens here in a bit. So LITM. Pump it, pump it. We'll see what this thing does at the open. See if we can stay above that 270, right? So, and then let me put up ABCT here. I'm not sure what that thing's doing because I haven't looked this morning. It's up 9%, not bad actually. Wow, it's still holding up there really well. I just had to look at MULN. I looked at MULN last night just because. Nice to let's go, Bob. Let's go. No, like again. So if you ginger shot, some ginger something yesterday too. No, like if you've been in Discord like the last however many days we haven't streamed for, right? Or the mornings that we haven't streamed for. I mean, like you really start to see like the value of the community, right? So because we've had some really amazing plays in Discord, even though we're not on stream. I mean, those plays are amazing, right? So hopefully we can have some more here. Look at Mullen though. Mullen is down another 9% today. 9% yesterday. 9% today. Um, well, we've known about Mullen and the problems though, right? So this is not a surprise to anybody here, right? So 38 cents in pre-market, Pablo. Damn, wow. Interesting. So market is opening in less than a minute here. Again, so let me put up Sun X here. Sun X. I just want to see what these names will open like. Good morning, Star. Hey yo. Right. So again, let the market open and see what's performing when the market opens. September 27th. Ooh la la. Okay. Good morning, Andrea. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, Andrea. A bit. A bit. Mm, 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 mm. Welcome back. So we'll see what the S&P does here. I mean, the fact that it's rallying into the open here is a bit of a concern. 120, Pablo. Okay, yeah, a bit of a concern here, right? So we'll see how that goes. In less than a minute, yeah, there we go. So market's open. So let the chaos play out, right? No need to rush into the open here. I need to sign in as well, and la, la, and uh, half of the year. Spider, yeah, I can see that. I can see that. Good morning, Fresh Travis. Good morning, Pam. Good morning, Dapper. Hey yo. Good morning. Yeah, most of these names are selling off at the open, which is expected, right? So what's the news? I have not looked at that actually. Sun X, Spice. Yeah, there you go. La, 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 la. La, la, la. One second. La, la, la. And then one more tab here. I need to get rid of. La, 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 la. X. Whoa, whoa, whoa. One second, guys. And that's beta remain. What's halted? ATXI is halted. Anyways, AVCT is pumping again, 35, 12% here, right? So see if we can test that 38 from pre-market here. So other than that, though, the other two names are selling off. SunX, see if we can hold that 120 level. And then LITM here, right? See if we can stay above $1.70 here. So AVCT is the only name that's actually I need another tab here, don't I? Yep, all the tabs, and then I need to put up ATXI, right? So that was a name we talked about quite a bit yesterday as well in Discord. So we'll see. Again, no rush into the open, guys. It's Friday, right? Don't ruin your weekend on a Friday, right? So just let the market chill out. See if any volume comes into any of these names here, and it's actually sustainable, right? So yeah, AVCT does look good there, though. They all moved, all moved. La, la, la. Mm. All moved. I'll go selling off. I'll go sell off incoming. Yeah, just let these names retrace. Spies are looking so good here. Is it below 170 here? And yeah, no, Sonex is still holding 120 there, Pablo. 120. I'll come back to LITF here. Let me put up AXTI here quickly. Ripple. My stuff is just really slow today, loading them. Anyways, yeah, it's ATXI Avenue. Yeah, it's halted down here, 17%. But that's because of their split, whatever, right? So, anyways, yeah, Sunnex broke below here too, right? So, no rush at all. You're up 138% today. I'm done already for the day. Easy Friday. Have a good day. Scott, you're criminal. Criminal. My system is lagging. Let's go, Maddie. We lag together. Anyways, good morning, Maddie. Good morning. Good morning. They all moved, right? So, I mean, like, until like when you're watching some of these IPOs, like Pablo's mentioned before, right? So until you actually like Robinhood or Webull can say, oh, like we IPO on this date, but until you get that SEC filing, right? So and nobody wants to IPO in the market that's going down anyways, right? If these IPOs are all of a sudden losing steam, these companies will move the damn thing, right? Like, yeah, no thanks. We don't go today. Your my gains are lagging. My gains are lagging. So yeah, no, we'll see. Let's see here. Two, one. Hmm. Okay. My water. lose lose foremost lose a lot buying early. Exactly, Kelly, right? So exactly, Bob. Again, you can see most of these names here struggling at the open, so I would be careful, right? Don't rush into any of these names at the open here. So let me go back to LITM here. Snowleg, yeah, right. Again, so let the market chill out. Let the sell off, right? So we've had some pretty good names the last few mornings, right? There've been some really good names. It's not Monday. Why are you acting like Monday market? Monday's market. What happened on Monday, Peter? Can't remember now. What happened on Monday? AVCT does look good though. 37 almost here. So what's moving? Okay, I'll take a look. SunX, yeah, that thing needs to get back above $1.20 there. EVTL. EVTL is that the aerospace company, right? So there's not a whole lot of volume here though, right? So not quite yet. So just watch it closely and see if it gives you a bottom or something. NAOV. This is another one from the pre-market movements list, right? So basically just moving here from the open. So um, you know what? The song, let's go. Come on. Spy can seem to find Spy can seem to keep its head above water. Keep my head above water. Come on, Spy, keep your head above water. Head above water. Yeah, Spy is going to the bridge. So give us that double bottom. We've been asking for that 365. See what happens at 365. See if we actually get there and if we bottom it out, right? So this looks weak, right? Spy, absolutely weak. So yeah, be careful, right? So no rush, please and thank you. Hmm, interesting. Hmm, interesting. Keep my head above water. Spy puts? Yeah, no, if you're holding spy puts, I'm sure you're happy. If you're buying spy puts now, then you're asking for a bit of trouble, right? Because, yeah, I mean, if we can rally a bit and fail at one of these levels, like 370 again, yeah, maybe, right? So I don't like, yeah, anyways. Okay. 1 second here. And um, there you go. AVCT does look good though. 27, 30, 37, 37. Come on, Tesla. Thrust AVCT. Thrust it. Yeah, I know a lot of you guys are holding this, so it's doing really well, right? So it's up 19%, 20% almost here. So, um, right? So, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. It's hotted up. AVCT does look really good there. 38, 22% there and going 23%. Anyways, let me take a look at. So that's Nano, right? So Nano, watch for that double bottom there. I know someone was asking for this. Watch for that double bottom there. LITM is yeah. See if we can get back above that 70 here, Pablo. Right. So hot it up. Let me take a look. Some of these halts have been really good. People have been following into these halt names, right? So the last two plays we've had. Um, halted up 114% though. What's the volume? Not a whole lot, which doesn't necessarily matter. Damn, AVCT. Okay, then 25%. Go then. Go. That looks really good there, actually. Really, really good. Anyways, it's halted up. ATXI is halted up now too. Oh lord. Oh lord. Oh lord. I like how you Joe. Come on now, say it. Oh lord. Let me see here. Mm, cancel that. Oh lord. And then, so we'll see what happens when the other one gets unhalted here, Peter. Oh Lord! Good morning, good morning, go. Good morning. Oh Lord. Anyways, yeah, we'll see what happens. See if we can get about 40 cents here for this one, right? So I would not FOMO into this thing now. Anyways, wait for that consolidation, wait for a retracement. If you're not in this, if you are, which most of you guys are in already, congratulations. Let's go. Right. So again, a lot of buyout rumors here for this stock. Right. So same rumors from last time. This thing rallied to just above 50 cents and then crashed back to 20 to below below 20 cents. And it's trying again here, right? So again, most of you guys are in this already. So congrats. Right. So congratulations. Yeah, Peter. Let's see what happens when that thing gets unhalted. I don't. The only thing I don't like about this one potentially is that it's up 114% already. Like it's up 100% already, right? So most of the ones that have done really well have been like, okay, halt, or halting at 17%, 20%. Like we're not at 100% yet, but we'll see, right? There's not a whole lot of volume. So, anyways, I'll get rid of Nano there and put up ATXI here. This is another name that a lot of you guys are holding, right? So HHGC is another one, right? So that's a D-SPAC from um, yesterday. Hot it up. Interesting. Yeah, I'll come back to that. HHGC here. Talked a little bit about this one in Discord yesterday at the very end. So it's up 27% and going. R7, right? So yeah, looks good. Ooh la la. 27, 28%. Huh, interesting. What's the shiny toy today? We're trying to figure that out. It seems like it's AVCT for now. Qualim. Going green. See if it can make a new high today, Billy. Yeah. FRBPT. Okay. Yeah. Na, na, na. Let's see. Na, na, na. Edit that. Yeah, I'll take a look at that, Billy, in a second here. I would take a look. I want to see if AVCT would break above 40 cents here, and then yeah, then we go unhalted, and then waiting for this thing to get unhalted. 146% now here, right? So again, my only concern is that this thing's up so much already, right? So let's see if it can consolidate, right? 157% now, so it's going 160%, Pizza. Yeah, interesting. Yeah, people have been almost like, I know these are not really a theme, right? So these right, so these like these um these halts are not really a theme, but it does seem like people have been pushing these halts lately, right? So which doesn't really make sense, but makes a whole lot of sense at the same time. I love the lot. Thanks everyone. Let's go, Scott. Scott just posted his yeah, for the day, 138%. That's amazing. Amazing, Scott. Nice. Yeah, Scott is up 138% today, and posted in Discord there. So price target slams? No, there's no price target really for this donk. It's all about the momentum, like playing the hype and figuring out where you want to get out. For AVCT, there really isn't a target here. I would not look for a target on this name, right? So HHGC is it like it's going to be volatile. So you want to be really careful with this thing. It's halted on the way down here, anyways. R7, right? You want to be very careful with this. It's moving on, not a whole while. I mean, I guess that volume is okay, better than whatever. But you want to be very careful. It's halted down here, right? So then AVCT toy of the day was oh, that's what it was, Pablo. Okay, that's what I was looking for. The double bottom, right? June low 36 362.17. Okay, here we go. AVCT 40 cents. Can we get to 40 cents right there? If you're holding AVCT, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes if you're holding AVCT. Type in yes. Oola, oola, AVCT here. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And ABCT. There we go. Broke about 40 cents. 30% to AVCT here. Wow, wow, wow. Right. So again, that's the shiny toy for today here. Right. So shiny, shiny. I see people giving this thing a lot of price targets. Yes, yes. By the way, intraday low. Okay. Good morning, Mustafa. Good morning. Good morning. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I know a lot of you guys are in this. Richard, you're in a lot. Okay, congrats. Right. So again, 40-cent resistance. Until we can break above and close above that level. If you're not in a position, I would not FOMO. Right. Be careful, please. Right. So be careful there. Unless I think breaks above and stays above that level, just watch for now, and then go from there. Right. So you need a Scooby snack. Dipski, yeah, exactly. R7. That one was a little bit different for me there. Like the halts. If a stock gets halted and it's just getting halted, like it's just starting to move, I will FOMO into that, right? But again, if it's rallied 100% already, then you want to be careful, like with that halt, right? Especially on a Friday here. Again, like to me, on a Friday, everything's a pump and dump. Unless there's a clear catalyst, everything is a pump and dump. So be careful. Fridays, people want to go to where they're going, right? So, anyways, see if we can retest the 9 here on AVCT or the 20 and stay above those levels. If not, just be patient, right? So again, AVCT looks nice there, right? So looks nice. Let's go. I'm gonna need another chart here actually for all the other rubbish. Anyways, good morning, Michelle. Hey yo. Hey yo. And what's Spy doing? Look at Spy go. I'm just kidding. Anyways, um, yeah, see the S&P can retest 370 here. I'm sure it will at some point. The question is, can we break above or do we just keep selling off? Just keep selling off, right? Give us a 362. Joe, 362. 362. No, we'll see. We'll see what happens there. Okay. There you go. I just want to go back to bed on Fridays. I know. I know. 36272. And it closed at 365. Okay, that's what I was looking at. The candles there, right? The close of the candle, I think, is what I looked at. So, anyways, here goes AVCT, guys. Right. So fill that 40 for now. Let's see if we can sell off and consolidate. Fubo's pushing, yeah. So Shannon shared in Discord. That Fubo got a price target upgrade, right? So to $6. What do I have on here? Ooh la 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 la. Let me take a look here. So Fubo. You scaled out a little bit yesterday. Still got about an yeah, Chris. Okay, nice. Yeah, no, football looks nice. It's up 8% in this market. That's really impressive, right? So I mean, it's sitting at the highs of the day here. So this might be something to watch, right? So it might be something to watch it closely. I mean, these price target upgrades are never a thing that you should be paying. Well, I mean, you want to watch these price target upgrades and see what the momentum is, and be very careful, because most of the time these price target upgrades are absolute rubbish, right? Absolute rubbish here. Uh, right. So you want to be careful with those, anyways. Uh, uh, oh yeah, there you go. In the news channel, yeah, there you go. So again, Shannon posted in the news channel earlier today about football, and HHGC here on halted 1125 here. R7, did you get into this one or no? See if you can find your support at $11 here. By the way, right? Potential double bottom there. See if you can hold that level. Let's go, Jeff. Good luck to all. My has us today. The looks of it has a sunburn. What did you buy, Jeff? A sunburn. Aren't you holding AVCT, Jeff? I thought you were. Thought you were. Michelle, are you on your way to work or you're at work already? You're not in it? Okay, sounds good. As it's crushed. Most of these stocks will be crushed this morning, Andrea, right? Most of them will, right? So again, like we mentioned earlier, Do not FOMO when this thing rallies to resistance here. What is Discord? I don't think that was around when I here before. So Discord is like the WhatsApp group, like the Facebook group. It's just where like we chat. But so when we're not on here, right? Like news is posted in there, plays are posted in there. We have some algos in there as well. Right, if a stock is halted, it will let you know in there. There's just a whole bunch of information in there, depending on the channel. So Bob, send me an email. I'll send you a link to join Discord. Or just message Jameson. Jameson is in there, criminal. So just message Jameson and he'll get you connected. Right. So yeah, just message Jameson and he'll get you connected. Driving on your way to work. Okay. I'm a bag holder at this point. Um, Oi, Jeff. Oi. Yeah, no. So it's like it's amazing. It's just the entire community in there. So it's really good because we don't talk about everything on here. Oh, yeah. Did you say? No, I said HHGC. HHGC. Yeah, yeah. And football's retesting the 20 here. So see if we can stay above 418 here, right? Retested the 20. Jeff, IMPP still. Run away from that stock. IMPP. Michelle, run away from that stock. Maybe it's too late now though, right? So and Spy is just going down. Spy not stopping, guys. Spy is falling and cannot get up, right? Might as well just sell off. Might as well just get it down there. Yeah. No, Jeff, honestly, like, one of the best lessons that I think like I have learned or that a lot of people have learned in this market is, like if something isn't working, unless you believe in the company truly and you're willing to hold the long term and ride the waves because you see like a path forward, um, unless you see that, if something isn't working, you want to make that decision like right away and get rid of it because something else always is working. Because if you let it grow too big, it's hard to get rid of it, right? So like if I have a $10 loss in a stock, Michelle's laughing because she knows. Like if I have a $10 loss in a stock, it's easier for me to cut. Once that loss gets to $100, you're like, man, you know what? I can't take $100 loss. Let's get it back to 50, right? So losses on day two, yeah, right. So and part of that too is like really understanding like why you're buying into a stock, right? Like really understand why if you buy a stock, like ask yourself, why am I buying this stock? If it's purely for momentum, if it's purely momentum and that momentum is gone, if it's no longer performing, get rid of it, right? If it's fundamentals though, like if you're buying the company because you like it, then you can hold longer, right? So because I know IMPP was a different story, right? IMPP was a complete different story there. Interesting. Interesting. La 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 la. Spies are in the basement. Yeah, it's going to zero, isn't it? Anyways, football's bouncing up the 20 there, so we'll see if that thing holds. AVCT still looks good here, right? See if we can make a little bit of whatever. You can't even see my screen yet. But anyway, see if we can get back about 40 cents here. Michelle, you're still holding this, right? 630. That's where that thing is now. 630. Pablo, wow. Nice bounce from 630. Damn. That's where it's at 630. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, I'm sure that thing would do really well. Have you looked at AMPX yet? Have you have you pounced? Have you pounced yet? Like Adam Marin? Missing the AMD highs. Need that recovery. Yeah, AMD. Yeah, with the market doing what it's doing here, it's gonna be a while before we get back to those highs, though, right? This is like a dump and dump. No pump, just dump. Yeah. Anyway, so Fubo bounced off the 20 there, which is nice to see. And like we talked about $11 here for HHGC, right? Double bottom, right? So that thing at the open and then on the scan right here. So see if we can stay above $11 here, HHGC, right? So above $11 and then a bit of a bounce, right? Uh, you sold in pre-market, you did? Wow. Congrats, Michelle. Good job. You made some monies on that though, right? So good job, good job. And then this is the stock that was halted and non-halted. Peter, I don't know if you got into this one, right? So um, yeah. Anyways, SLCR here. Silver crest. That's a solid bounce actually. That's quite the bounce from that 630 level. Wow, 630 past 730. Damn, that's impressive actually. The Michelle's driving to work, Peter. Driving to work. Yeah, see if you can stay above $7 now. No, split killed you. Yeah, average down to no, not at 27. Okay, yeah, and there goes Fubos. Fubos and ABCT is back about 40 cents, guys. Right, so Fubos at the highs of the day now, 41 cents here. Right, so that thing obviously looks really good here, really good. So this for now is was quite right. Yeah, aggressive, Pablo, aggressive. Yeah, we'll see if it keeps going. Wow. Okay, 42 cents almost there, and then back down. So yeah, I'm not sure why this line is here. I'm sure there's a reason why it's there. I'm not sure I like it though, because I don't think there's resistance there. I think yeah, I'm gonna. That's not. Oh, that's why. Okay, never mind. That's why, because it's not a line. It's a circle. It's a circle. There we go. 41. Come on. More. Mind your business. Mind your business. Why are you typing and driving? Mind your. The only question is from the dump would turn into a pump. Yeah, exactly. I looked at it this morning when I saw that tweet, but it wasn't quite as low as it was though, like at 6:30. So that would have been a really nice catch. Would have been a really nice catch. Oh well, next time. I used to rescue. Now I rescue stocks on successfully, Jeff. Yeah. Pushing has a hand of 50 cents and a stay above exactly, right? So AVCT for me needs to get above 50 cents. Really does. Oi. EVTL is Virgo. Uh-oh. EVTL. That's Mindy's favorite company. It's not, but yeah, it is. Anyways, yeah, EVTL looks nice there. 22%. Damn, 22%. Wow. Oh, nice. EVTL. So we've talked about this one quite a bit, right? So Virgo, EVTL. Nah, it's been a nice trade over and over, right? So hopefully it stays that way. Yeah. So if you're playing that again, congratulations. Make those monies, please, and thank you. Let me see. EVTL. There we go. Perfect. Of course, Martin. Yeah. Can I take a look? Sure. I'll take a look. What's SPRO? Insane volume. I mean, like, I guess I can kind of see what you're looking at, and it does look good. It's up 7% today, right? So that's not bad at all, right? So that's not bad. Yeah. See if we can break above the highs here now for SPRO. Not bad at all, Martin, right? So, and SPY is about to make new lows here again. Well, we just did, right? So SPY new lows. Um, just realized something. You used to be my neighbor, Satoshi. I just realized something. You used to be my neighbor. Where did we live, Satoshi? Where did we live? Yeah, I know that Bitcoin supply we worked on, right? So don't tell anybody. It's a secret. No one's supposed to know. You're giving away secrets now. Anyways, back to ABCT here. 'Cause, hey, Nanya. Hey, yo. You used to be my neighbor. Where did we live? And don't worry, we need Bitcoin back at 69,000 dollars. Check out that tweet I posted in Stock General. Okay, just now. Okay, let me take a look. Stock General, thank you. Uh, all I needed to see was all I needed to see was all I needed to see was BBIG and nothing else. Nothing else. So I mean, he's not wrong. Such a strong community. BBIG generally think BBIG. I generally think this is a blue chip meme stock like EMC and GME. Interesting. Despite a constant stream of bad news and declining stock price, the community has remained absolutely degenerate as I've ever seen. All week, MULN week, ATR week, CI week compared to BBIG. You know what? Let me take a look at the chart for BBIG just because as AVCT is dipping there, so um, that's pretty funny. BBIG. BBIG is at yeah, we remain strong despite the declining stock price. Like, what do you mean? I'm not gonna tell. Let's go, Satoshi. Let's go. See, he lived at the bridge. Proud Peter. Um, hard moody, hard moody. Blue chip. What does that even mean? A blue chip meme stock. You know what, guys? If you haven't seen this tweet yet, it's pretty funny. I think. Okay, that's a picture, so I can't really. Yeah, but anyways, it's posted in Discord, guys, so you can take a look, right? So, uh, I mean, like, since when did a declining stock price equate to like a strong community? That means someone in the community is selling. Somebody is selling it. We can talk about like it being shorted, but no Phoenix. Unbelievable. Anyways, I feel like yeah, he has a point. BPIG has been better than Mullen. And yeah, especially Mullen, Pablo. Especially Mullen. I think I will be interested in Mullen again whenever they go ahead and do a stocks when they do a something when they do an offering. Well, they're doing that already. But whenever they decide to do like a splits and bring that entire flow down, maybe. For now, Mullen again, as we know, we've talked about this quite a bit. Mullen has issues, right? So sometimes you look at these momentum plays, especially for EV, right? So EV, and that's been our concern. Like these guys are partnering, they have to they have to produce vehicles. They don't have any money, so where's that going to come from? No thanks. I don't want to hold the stock and be like, oh, we are doing an offering overnight. No thanks. That's why I get scared of holding penny stocks because I know there's a reason why they're a penny in the first place. Because bad news could be coming at any point. So once that stock drops below a dollar, like once the stock drops below a dollar, oh, like it's almost a no thank you for me. At that point, I'm just waiting to play intraday momentum, right? Um, Anyways, EVTT here, yeah, needs to reclaim 40 cents here, Ashnefi. His videos of for entertainment purposes, he used to. Oh no, that guy makes videos. Funny. He used to make videos as a blue chip meme stock. What does that even mean? A blue chip meme stock. What's a blue chip meme stock? Uh, yeah. Let me take a look at ATHX. Let me take a look. ATHX here. That's pretty funny. $1.17. Damn. Yeah, no, that looks good there. 43% Virgo. Nice. I know Andrea is in this one too. With three CEOs and constantly delaying earning reports. That's funny. I don't get how like sometimes I don't like like the money you invest in the market, like it's like for the most part, right? Like it's your hard earned money, right? So like it's hard earned money, right? When you invest in BBIG or AMC, like this is money you work for, right? So like if I put that money in the company and like these CEOs are playing games like that, I would be pissed. Like I would be pissed. Like I don't know how people still like can still like, yeah, I don't know. Hopefully they're rewarded someday. Hello, mood. But if I invest money in BBIG and they're delaying earnings, they're constantly like doing stuff like that, I'd be very annoyed. I would not be able to hold that thing. No, thank you. Right? So pissed. So no LITM here, guys. Again, this was the stock that we almost came into the day watching, because it was a theme for the day, right? So it's back above a dollar 270 here. So see if you can stay above that, right? So SRPO, yeah, SPRO. That thing needs to get back above the highs of the day here. And then ATXH looks nice, and then AVCT here, right? Needs to get back above 40. To the bridge to the lid, giving tours to the bridge. That's funny. Giving tours to the bridge. Yeah. So I don't know. I don't know about like, yeah, market crash. Yeah, the market is struggling. I'm sure that's not really. I mean, that doesn't help XRP and all the other cryptos, right? That doesn't really help. But no, crypto's done well. No. So again, like when the stock isn't working, guys. Like honestly, no joke. Like I feel like that's been the most valuable lesson for me in the market. Is if a stock is not working, get rid of it. Like get rid of it now, 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 now. Go look for something else because something else is working, right? Right. So when you get into a stock, find a reason, right? So find a reason why you're getting in. Have a plan, right? If that plan all of a sudden changes, get rid of it, right? If I buy stock because it's holding a double bottom, and it breaks below that double bottom, get rid of it. If I buy stock because it has momentum and we're talking about squeeze, 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 if that thing loses volume, get rid of it, right? So don't be the scapegoat. Yeah, and then Paul is I don't know why Paul wants to speak today again. I got into EMC at $8. Stayed there for months and months. I went to 70 from holding. That's different though, right, poet? That's different. Like that's completely different. So a lot of the times, where the issue is people will buy after a massive rally and then expect more, 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 right? So AMC at $8, not really a move though, right? You know what I mean? So yeah, no, like what I'm trying to say is like you can hold, right, but you need to have a plan, right? So you need to have a plan. Like if this thing isn't working like the way I want it to, right? So yeah, what goes up must come down, I guess, unless it's is that stock. What was that stock again, Peter? The rocket that got lost somewhere. Uh, abort. We've lost it. The stream is over. We'll see you guys on Twitter when we find it. Anyways, we're back about 40 cents here for AVCT, guys. So that looks good, right? So AVCT, you got in at 58. Yeah, ASTR. Yeah. I guess I don't know if that ever came down. It did though. Let's go, Nanya. Let's go. Thank you for the super chat. Really appreciate that. I'm still waiting for you to become a member, by the way. I'm waiting for you to become a member, Nanya. Waiting for you to become a member. So thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate your support always. Always. Thank you very much. I was giving the market has went to yeah, no poet. I know. Thank you. That's okay. Yeah, so see if we can get back about 41 here for dance. And again, LITM looks really good, guys. Right, so that looks really really good there. Right, so again, if you're wondering why this is pumping, take a look in Discord, right? So that news was posted in Discord earlier this morning. It's the same reason why we played ELBM yesterday in Discord, because of that news, right? So this is a Canadian company. So both of these, well, I mean, the other one was a Canadian company as well. So this is a Canadian lithium battery company, right? That's working with the Teslas and whatnot, right? So yeah, take a look in Discord. The news was posted earlier today, right? So lithium, so it's on here too. Anyway, so yeah, Snow Lake Resources Energy Solutions collaborate on lithium supply chain in North America, right? So yeah, so anyways, batteries, right? So that looks really good there, and it's going. This one has a smaller flow than the one we played with yesterday, so yeah, still lit. Yeah, LITM is lit here, right? It's going. So if you got into this earlier today, well, congratulations, because it's lit. You don't use Discord none yet? Okay, that's okay. That's okay. Thank you for the support always, Dom. Before I had you as my Jeff mentor. Don't worry, Peter's gonna roast me now for just because he said that. Just because he said that, watch Peter. Watch he's gonna say it now, Jeff. Yeah, I'll take a look. I'll take a look at Ruby. 56 cents. Okay, thank you. I'll take a look. Yeah, no past life. Past life. You are forgiven. You're forgiven, Jeff. You are forgiven. Let me take a look. So Ruby was another one from pre-market. Um, so you know 56 cents. You bought the open, did you? Did you not? You did. You bought the open here again. Try not to buy these. You bought at 58 cents. Damn. What did you buy? Pre-market? No, you yeah, because this thing really hasn't given me a reason to buy it. Buy yet. Because it's just been selling off, right? So last hope for you here, Ashinafi, is like if I was holding the stock, I'd probably have a stop loss just below this here, right? Just below 46.40, like 46.5 here, right? We might come back and form a double bottom. We might do something like this. We might do something like this here, right? And then go. But I don't want it below these levels here, for sure, for sure, for sure. So, not to say anything, if it's not gonna be nice. There you go. Yeah, so that doesn't look too bad there. AVCT can seem to really hold about 40 cents, which is fine. Take your time, AVCT, take your time. Um, off one, but okay, okay, yeah, that 165, yeah, it is. Uh, um, yesterday you said Canadian market you were, what was that yesterday? No, we were in Discord yesterday because I wasn't feeling good. Wasn't feeling good. Uh, Peter, let me send you something, okay? Let me send you something. Na, na, na. Na. Let's go. Ashinafi, thank you for the super chat. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. AVCT's dipping him. Can't seem to really hold above that level yet, can it? So do you have strategies? If so, what's your favorite? Um, Not really. Ashinafi, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Win holds. Win holds. It's going, isn't it? LITM absolutely killing it here. So there you go. All right. So that thing's pumping. Win holds 40%. So again, if you're in this stock, congratulations. Right. This was shared in Discord yesterday and this morning again. Right. So again, if you're in this, congrats. Congratulations. La la la. Let me see here. La 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 la. I know some of you guys were asking for companies. La 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 la. Let me see here. Pizza, you're an asshole. No. There you go. So, perfect. Did LITM ever? No, it did not. It did not. Anyways, no, no, no. Writing history right now. These times in school, Nanya, writing history. Yeah. Boy. Crazy times. 2 p.m. To crash the spice some more. Will we even be on at that time? I don't know. Have I talked about GTII? No. Was I supposed to? Why? What's happening? Let's see if we can consolidate here at the 50 for AVCT, right? So somewhat of a bottom here, right? So see if we can see about this here. Again, the fact that we have the 50 there, Captain Hook finally went up, Pablo, right? So so again, yeah, see if we can create this little bottom here for AVCT and then bounce, right? So Captain Hook finally went up. As this is all made a living under the bridge. Exactly, Hugh. Exactly. E- What else do we have on this thing here? Oh yeah, there we go. We did it. Well, we never really came back for this, right? So can't remember who was in this stock. But there you go. You're getting close to that 56 level, right? So we never came back to create a double bottom. We just went. So that's a good thing, right? So yeah, it looks nice here. You're getting close to your 56 entry, right? Hopefully you can get back up there as soon as possible. Shnefi, let's go. Right, so and then yeah, this was just kind of stalling here for now, Virgo. ATXX is a bit late. Yeah, probably need to give it a tell it you're the captain now. Tell it you're the captain. Tell it I'm the captain now. Chill out. La 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 la. Stocks. Let's see here. Give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. Thanks, Captain In and Out. Yeah, let's go, Peter. Oh, like honestly, I think it's a lot. Like Peter, you enjoy this more though, don't you? Like you enjoy the fact that you can get in and out quicker now. Yeah, I think that's how the market is. Especially in this day and age, that's almost how it's set up. Like that's almost how it's set up there. Just to, yeah, like locking these profits. Not in like in the bear market, people usually take profits a lot sooner than expected, right? So if you can lock in these profits as well, amazing. So Reyes should be good now. Should be good now, Reyes. For AVCT, AVCT. Yeah, it's not really holding that level, is it? No, but it's failing on the nine there. So we need to reclaim that nine there before maybe before it's an opportunity, right? Yeah, yeah. And like with these names too, snipe, no mercy, no mercy, you right. With these names, you want to make sure that you are right again. So understand the reason why it's running hype for potential buyout, right? So this thing did this exact same thing last month. Hype, buyout, no buyout came, it crashed to 20 cents. So right, so be yeah, you want to look for the news when it's first like getting started, and then when it's yeah. So be careful. For those who don't know, AVCT is a squeeze buyout play. Yeah, again. So we like to play the momentum, right? So it's anyways. Yeah, see if we can hold about $3 here for LITM here. LITM, LITM. Uh, uh, some love. Let's go, Nanya. let's put my let's go, Nanya. Have a wonderful day. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it always. But let's on your plate. Okay, okay. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful weekend. If we don't see you, and yeah, thank you very much. See ya. See ya. When should you try to re-enter AVCT? Whenever it finds support and consolidates and starts curling again, Omega, right? For now, though, it just seems like we're trending down here, so just give it a second. Right, so whatever consolidates and starts curling back to the upside. I mean, this thing's barely had a dip this morning. It's just been that overnight excitement, right? So give it a second or so. 37 might have been a nice 37, yeah, maybe. See if we can get back to 37 here, right? And then LITM is bouncing off the 20 as well, off $3. So it's holding well. I'll be back. Let's go. Tops is going crazy. Yeah, Tops was another one from I think Mindy posted a little thing about Tops last night in Discord as well. Yeah, it's going crazy, 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 crazy. Anyways, yeah, we'll see. It's always hard to judge these stocks R7. Like when they're just trending up, right? So like when they're trending up, yeah. Oh yeah. I told you, Michelle. Zella is just a comedy show now. It's just comedy. I told you. We're not even holding above 37, right? So again, DWAC is down to 15 bucks now, Pablo. 15. Oh my god. Anyways, again, so AVCT is not curling yet. So if you're looking for a position, wait for the curl. This is not it, right? So unless you just want to take the gamble, right? For now, it's just going straight down here. So wait for that curl, consolidate curl, and then we can talk. Anyways, yeah, no, LITM looks really good there. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Hmm. I want to look at what Zella is. I just so I can laugh at Michelle. Yeah, hell three. Yeah, I did. Things at 50 cents, Michelle. This thing's at 50 cents. So from that dollar, Michelle, it's cut it in half again. What do I say to you? They are so low, not worth selling. What's your average, by the way, Michelle? What's your average on Zella? What's your average? What's your average? I need to clean my. What's your average? Yeah, AVCT is just dipping. Yeah, people are taking profits, panicking, right? So, in at out at 37, there you go, Mustafa. Congratulations, right? Good job. Yeah, win. $2.47. Yeah, it's not worth it anymore, is it? Yeah. Again, like I don't mind Zella as a company, right? But that's one thing, right? So there's Zella, there's always like the company, and then there's always like how the stock performs. Zella's never been a bad company to me. Like the stock has never performed well, never. AVCT here, guys, just dip skiing. Let's see if we can see about 35 cents here now. See, yeah, down to 19 cents too. Damn. Oh, yeah, I know. That's what. Yeah, they did. They went from like below 20 cents, 10 cents, 11 cents, all the way to the dollars, and then back below dollar. Right. So, and that's the thing for me. Like if I'm watching a stock that's done a split, because I've seen this happen too many times, right? So if I'm watching a stock and it goes from like 10 cents, 20 cents, 50 cents to above a dollar, if these guys do a split, you cannot hold that stock below 90, below a dollar, because if they as soon as they get below a dollar, it's PTSD. It's going back below a dollar. It's going back to like, yeah. So be careful. Anyways, yeah. See if we can stay about 35 cents here for this stock. Like, yeah. See if we can stay about 35 cents here. 35 cents for so I'm gonna mark this area here. So this would be a nice little bounce area, right? So for AVCT here at 35 cents here. The question is though, are people just taking profits to move on, or yeah? See, we can stay above that. Is it too late for mm, it's not too late, but I don't like buying. I wouldn't like buying all the way up here, honestly. Omega for LITM, I would be careful, like buying all the way up here. Yeah, I mean it looks really good. It's not too late at all, and it's still moving. LITM is back to the highs of the day here, 320, right? So, but the issue is like it's sitting at resistance here now potentially, right? So the potential double top there, even though it looks really good. If you're in this, you have nothing to worry about, right? Yeah, it trapped you to R7. You got trapped. Oh lord. Oh lord. LITM is moving. La la la. There we go. If you're holding LITM from Discord, type in yes. Trying for highs of the day, yeah, it is. If you're holding LITM from Discord, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes if you're holding LITM. Chat, best adult, whatever, not you. Please, somebody else. If you're holding from Discord, type in yes. Let's get married. We can trade on our honeymoon. Bible says yes. Virgo says yes. Let's go. Right. So, yeah, and this thing was shared yesterday in Discord. Right. This was shared yesterday. So all the way in the abyss. Right. So and then it dipped this morning. There was some more news posted about this in Discord this morning. Right. So again, if you got into that, congratulations. You missed it. Yeah, that's okay. Right. Another and another and another and another as usual, right? So see if we can break out here, Pablo. Um, if not, well, right, again, I'd be careful buying here though, just in case it fails at that double top. Nope, it's like nope, nope, nope. LITM 42% guys and going, 45% and going. You're still in substapper, okay? Booms, booms. Hopefully it's not a fake boom, Pablo. One of those booms where like you break above the highs and then the next candle. No, this one actually does have a catalyst though, right? Your home time is 1 hour away from Snow Lake. Good morning, good morning. Like Smasher, good morning. Yeah, no, it looks really good here. So it looks really good. Let's keep going, right? So so if you're looking for a brand new position here, the best entry maybe for you would be like either again. So you can look for breakouts, or you can wait for that retracement and then the curl back, right? So and then you can look for something like that. So that's if we do that. So in the mind, uh, who did? Uh, these guys. Market is down 17%. Glad to pay people to lose money. I know, Eric. I know. Honestly, yeah. Rubbish, right? Yep. Absolute rubbish. Oh, am I? One sec. I need to clean my. I need to. 1 second. My. I need to get some more like tea or something because that helps with the runny nose. Chinese stock is moving. Okay. Yeah, like I lose 17% of my own fee on my own for free. I know exactly, exactly. Eric, I did that once. I did that once. I'm like, yeah, you know what? You know what? Give it to me. I'll lose it on my own, and I did. So anyway, so we bounced perfectly off that level for AVCT. So if you took that, congratulations, right? So AVCT, right, 35 cents. Log off, go rest. No, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Peter, I'm not going to rest. You know where I'm going to? You know I'm going to Peter. To be disturbed. To be disturbed. So I will be here. I will run and be here. Anyways, so again, solid bounce of 35 cents, guys, right? So yeah, inverse 37, Joe. Okay. Yeah. So see if we can actually bounce back to 40 here now, right? So if you took that 35, nice, right? Inverse. Okay. Yeah. So Jim Cramer Investment Club. Imagine if you gave your money to Jim Cramer Investment Club, you'd be down 99%. You'd be down 99%. You'd be down. Why do you... Pizza? It's okay. You know what? It's okay, Pizza. It's okay. Stay here. Um, you missed 35, waiting for another dip omega? Okay. Yeah. Let's see if we get another dip there, right? So, and LITM just consolidating all the way up here. So, not bad at all. Anything else moving really here? Zella, oh my goodness, Zella had a green candle. Jim Cramer Investment Club. That's pretty funny. My thoughts on NNDM long term. Um, That's another cat. Oh, by the way, Kathy Woods stepped down from Kathy Woods stepped down from some of her managed from some of her funds, NNDM. I know she had a big stake in this company, right? Nano Dimension here. This stock has not performed. It just is not performed. Like it just has in long term. I mean, like I don't mind the company long term. It's just not performing though. Like it's just been going down for like, I mean, just like everything else. Um, Maybe if this thing can stay above $2 here, not too bad, right? It is holding. It's flat while the market is selling off today, so that's a good thing, obviously. Um, but this thing, if you're gonna play with this, don't let it go below $2, John. Right? So I think they have some really cool technology. I've looked at this company quite a bit. They have a lot of cash on hand too. Like they have monies, on monies, right? So and these guys do offerings like it's like they there's no tomorrow. Like these guys do offerings every few months. Like they're not a penny stock, but they do offerings like all the time. Like it seems like they want to drive the stock to 2 cents. But anyways, moving on. Moving on. And then LITM here. There we go. 316, 20 EMA retest them. AVCT says thank you very much. Support, pop. We are expected to we are expecting a chart. Oh really? Oh she is? Oh. Well, that article never said that. It said she stepped down. It never said why she stepped down though. She's expecting a child, Richard? Oh, okay. We are expecting a child. Okay. I had no idea. I thought she just stepped down because she was losing all the monies. Wahala. Interesting. Another dip will be, yeah. Kathy Woods with me. Unbelievable. Richard, you're going to jail. To where? Jail. Jail is where you're going to. This reverse playoffs on AVCT. Yeah. Tight reverse. Either way now, she's having easy. You guys are all like interested in Kathy Woods, really? You guys are? Why? Interesting. Really critical. Jameson, what is that? I'm trying to pick out the ticker there. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Yeah, Jameson, we might just. I bet you we. Yeah, I agree with that. I bet you we just go back down and retest that low there, on the candle, like the candle on the left hand side. Whether that's like 360 whatever, right? So, mm, global core that stock is pumping. Oh, interesting. CO, CO, Spy Daily. Okay, yeah. I'll leave it up for a second here and see what it does. See if we can get about $3 here. Yeah, exactly, Jameson. Yeah, so we might as well just go back down there and retest it and confirm the bottom, right, and then move on. Honestly, because now it's just a drag, you know. It's just a drag. What is that? Um, 20. 1 second. CNBC. Oh, market watch. Market watch. Nasdaq. Hmm. Interesting. For the benefits of the for the benefits. Unbelievable. Joe? Wow. Kathy Woods and Oprah? Really? Yeah. Richard? I can see why now. It's solid, Joe. Okay, level two. Okay. Random EV plays long term. I'm loving various EV plays long term, but on the stock for lithium, for long term, is it worth it or not really? I think it's worth it. I think it's worth it, Dave. right? So I mean, there's an article somewhere. I'll see if I can find that for you. But it goes really deep into like what Elon Musk thinks about lithium and all this stuff and EVs, right? So right, so that's why a lot of these companies are getting all these deals, right? So yeah, I think it is. Trust me, bro. He says, "How do you know? How do you know, Richard? How do you know? How do you know? Trust me, bro." Interesting. Um, yeah, there you go. Needed for EV do well unless the technology changes. Exactly, exactly, Pablo. So yeah. So yes, yes, Dave. So those yeah, there's a little like there's a little article posted to in Discord about like LITM and ELBM, right? So you can take a look at that and yeah, I'll see if I can find you another article actually because I know there's one somewhere. Somewhere, can't remember where it is now. Lithium. Hey yo, Tom, I'm good. How are you? Feeling like a rock pull is coming. There's also a rock pull coming, isn't there? No, for now though, it's holding up the 20, Pablo. So it's holding the 20 again. So we've had that retracement back to the 20 here, 316, and it's bouncing back to 325 here. So yeah, I would be careful though. This might be a cup and handle here, but if it doesn't break out here above like 330, yeah, it might be a rock pull. I feel like a rock pull is coming, especially if that thing breaks below the 20 again. If it breaks below 317 here, yeah, probably rock pull. Good morning, Fiji. Hey yo. Richard does his research. Was bumping Tom? I know XRP. Yeah, no, XRP's done really well. Really, really well, right? So, and then obviously a retracement as the entire market retraces. Bitcoin is down how much? Matic is at 73 now. Uh, wow. XRP is at 48. Okay, not too bad still, right? So yeah, not bad at all. It's like the chip stocks were best way to play with that needed a chip. Exactly, 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 exactly. Right, exactly. There you go. Yeah. So yeah, these ones are usually smaller too, anyways, Pablo. So you have more upside playing like a lithium. You know, EVs need lithium, right? So most of these EV companies are way too expensive, especially the ones that will survive, like the Teslas and the again the ones that will survive are more expensive, and some of these lithium plays are very right. There's more upside to that, right? So you did, you did. Uh-oh. I mean, poets, imagine if you're in Discord. Imagine you'd be in a lot lower, a lot lower. So, a lot lower. Anyways, AVCT still looks good here to me. Nice little inverse there, Joe. Right, so let's see if we can get back about 40 cents here. If not, well, right. So it's gonna be a problem if we break below that low. But for now, it's holding. So yeah, exactly. I couldn't get past Tesla, honestly, Pablo. The ones that will survive, Tesla, and I mean, there are a few that will survive, right? So there are a few that will survive. Like you think about maybe like the Lucids, and like these companies will find a way to survive, right? Yeah, like the Z Bank. Some of these companies that are actually like selling vehicles, right, should do well. Like if you're actually selling stuff, like some of these Chinese ones, right? So Zpeng and Neo, and some of these ones I'm sure will survive, but then again, you have to deal with the fact that like, oh, will these stocks still be trading in the U.S. Regulations and whatnot? Anyways, so we are failing at that, like to break out above the handle here now. Aaron, good morning. It's not looking too bad. Did Evax to take a look. I'll have to take a look ski. Erin Criminal. Erin the Criminal. Let me see here. Huh. Oh boy. Here we go. It broke out, right? So it's breaking out, but it seems like it's one of those scam candles there, like one of those rock candles. But no, it's holding above the 20, so that's a good thing, right? Oh no, it's one of those rock. Yeah, it seems like one of those rock candles. Yep, it is. But again, it's still holding the 20 though, which is good. But it's one of those scam candles. It's dealing with a double top high today. Yeah, it's yeah. Whenever I see one of these candles explode like that, you want to be very careful because it's very likely that it will be a rock pull. Right? You're about to celebrate? Nope, don't celebrate yet until that candle actually closes above. And what? And go to the bridge. To the bridge. No, it's still holding the 20-year, guys. Right? So that's kind of what you're watching. Right? The 20. Anyways, AVCT still looks really nice there. Virgo? Yeah. 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 Is looking bueno. RSI. Jet lag from that 1 month in Wakanda. Yeah, that's because you're enjoying life. You know, you're living your best life. You're enjoying. You're eating village foods, all the fruits you could find. You're relaxing. No, it's now welcome back to the market. Go buy some BBIG. Like, let's go. 1 month in Wakanda. Wakanda. What was halted there, by the way? SLNG halted up twice already. Oh my goodness. Halted up at price and then the same price again. SLNG. Pablo says I'm out. I'm out of there you go, Pablo. Yeah, not bad, right? So congratulations, good job on this one here, right? So I'm out of LITM for now. Don't trust those candles. I always get back in though. That trade already worked very well. Yeah, it did. It worked really well. So no, that was a really nice trade, Pablo. Really nice trade. So congrats. More monies, more monies, more monies, more monies. ATHX here looks nice. It's curling off the 50, which is not bad. Let me take a look. So I hold it down. SLNG. We played with this one a few days ago, and this one was explosive. Explosive. It's still red for the day here, though, so still red here. That was a crazy candle just to retest that. Yeah. Interesting. What's the play for discount Monday? Discount Monday? The play for Monday? Not sure. Discounts. If you're looking for discounts, maybe wait till close to the end of the day, Omega, right? And then go from there. And then go from there. You put 5 grand at 860 for what? Bryson. Oh, 860 for Canoe. Okay, I see. Canoe. Okay. Yeah. I mean, it's done well. A buyout coming soon, at some point, right? So it's done well. It's doing really well. So doing really really well. This was another name that we talked about yesterday in Discord, right? And all the buyout news and whatnot that's coming for these guys. So it's up 5% today. It's good news for maybe Pablo. Actually, maybe yeah, maybe probably. LITM to 280 is what you want. Okay, LITO. LITM. Yeah, it's dipping, right? 314 here. Yeah, the fact that it broke below both of those moving averages there, Pablo, was a bit of a red flag, red flag, red flag. Nah, nah. Nah, 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 nah. Nah, nah, nah. Let's see here. I'm just thinking about something else. Peter, be quiet. Quiet. Useless goats. Useless goats. La, la, la. Bid is 740 now. uh, yeah, I think that might be a better watch than yeah, 740. Okay. Yeah, I think we need to go a second time here to really confirm here that it's actually ready to go. Right, SLNG here. It would need to go a second time here. I mean, it's cool to get these hot candles here like once and then crash and be done. Right, but that thing needs to go again. It's still down 7%, so I think that's just a tease because it's lost all the gains already, anyways. So I would maybe just watch it closely and see what it does. But yeah, 9%, minus 9% there still. It's lost everything. A dumped, yeah, exactly, Pablo. On the phone with Diego, locating Durant now. Hi. The S&P is just weak, guys, right? So again, like I think we know where we're wanting to go, right? 360 something. Not here, close to 362 ish, 363, 365. It would be nice if we can get to one of those levels and just consolidate, because then you can actually feel confident that we're finding support, right? So oh, I got a oh Jeff, don't worry, don't worry. Yeah, yeah. And we failed to get back about 40 cents. Yeah, we did. So AVCT here needs to stay above right, needs to stay above this 35 cents. I mean, we can come back and create a double bottom, which is fine. Or some higher lows would be cool too. IMPP is down to 26 cents. Yeah. Again, like once stocks break below like $1, there's no telling when they're going to. Once you get below $1, I think you're like you're in a weird spot. You want to be very careful. Be very, very careful. Yeah, see if we can create that for AVCT here. See if we can create that nice little right. So I'm just gonna do it on the 1 minute here. See if we can make a nice little inverse here, right? Something like this, combining these two here, right? So um, and then down like that, and then like this, and then send it, right? So that'd be cool, right? So go from there. XRP, VAR, yeah, no, XRP has done well. XRP is consolidating and selling off for now with the rest of the market, right? Which is fine. Let it sell off, let it chill out. Maybe once the market is back to like when the market closes today, XRP will run again, right? So, is it setting up? Is it setting up? HHGC setting up? HHGC is that thing still above $11? Yeah, it is. It's been holding that 11, right? We talked about 11 earlier today. In the sense that yeah, there was a bit of a double bottom here at $11. If it can stay above $11 Fiji, right? It needs to stay above 11. So don't let it go below that. Otherwise, you're asking for trouble. Is it setting up? I mean, like I think it has more volume than I would like to see than expected. I don't know. You don't want to hear that. Like you always want more volume to confirm these moves, but with these backs, honestly, like when the volume starts peaking like that, when the volume is as high as this is, you start to question if it's still gonna run, right? So yeah, the company received a notice of from Shell. Stop giving me momentum with no momentum. What did it signal now? It signaled LITM. Yeah. I mean, LITM there was, I think it ran already though. So LITM. So yeah, it's dipping game, right? 311. Dip skiing, right? So again, we talked about this fake candle here for LITM. So that's not a surprise, right? Not a surprise at all. We talked about how if this thing breaks below that 20 again, you want to be very careful because it's probably going to sell off now, right? So it's selling off. Yeah. He wants 280. So see if we can get to 80. See if we can get to 80 LITM and then AVCT. Yeah. Not quite giving us that inverse yet, but only takes a second. So what else? Yeah, we'll see what we're sitting at around lunchtime, and then see if any momentum is coming in into any of these names. If not, well, well. Get rid of that. Okay. I want to look at the other one too, Pablo. SLCR. I know Hugh played this one here. 730. Okay, still holding 730. I mean, like, still a solid bounce here. If you got in at close to that 630 level, I'm sure you're happy. That was a boom candle there. Wow, almost $8. Yeah, not a whole lot of volume, right? So our IPOs off now, Fiji, they'll just be delayed, right? Just because of like market conditions. And also the fact that they're being investigated, right? Investigated, according to the SEC there. Anyways, I'm kind of trying now here for AVCT to create that inverse head and shoulder here, right? So see if we can. Um, SEC says, let me see if I can find the article here. It talks about how, retail's been pumping some of these IPOs from $4 to $100 to $50. What's going on? What's going on? My question is like, like sometimes the manipulation is so obvious. Honestly, like, what's your business? What is your business with these IPOs pumping and dumping? What's your business? Like, so you don't have investigate them after a bridge. Yeah, like, what's your business? Would that put off investors? Again, it had to come to an end at some point, right? Every trend comes to an end at some point. IPOs, uplistings, short squeezes, everything at some point will come to an end, right? So, um, yeah, it had to end at some point. We talked about that, right? So, but like my question is like, so like, do you not see all these? So when a stock pumps and then crashes 50%, or like when a stock is shorted well over 100%, or like this and that and this and that, or when like Kramer says like Netflix is a good buy, and then it crashes, like it crashes and crashes and crashes. Like, do you investigate that, or like do you just not do it? Do you not care about that? I'll be back. Oh, Pablo. Pablo, really? Pablo. Why does it take a shower? I'll be back. Well, there's an end, there's a new beginning. Exactly, Daniel. Exactly. Right? So, exactly. Below volume, yeah. um, I'll be back, he says. Pablo? Okay, we'll see you soon. Okay? I'll be back. That's funny. Let me take a look at CEO. Yeah, I know. I know that was mentioned earlier to you, right? So CEO, blood, whatever they're called, right? So global cord blood. Yeah, that thing is volatile. Damn. I mean, I just saw that thing lose 10 cents, Shannon. As soon as I pulled it up, it went from 310 to 299. Scary. What's the float on this year? 36. Wow. Had to sneeze. Sneeze. Hmm. Are you in this one, Shannon? I know Andrea is. I know Andrea is. La, la, la. Took off again. EMPX took off again, but EMPX, I'll take a look. I'll leave up CEO for now. Yeah, I'll leave that up for now. AMPX. AMPX. $13? Yeah, it's not bad. It's up 10% today. Yeah, not bad at all. Yeah, these SPACs, right? So volatile. This thing was at 1042 earlier. 1042. Wow, AMPX. Damn. No, Shannon, make those monies. 296 here now. Yeah, that one seems a little bit complicated in the way that it moves there. Yeah, make sure you're ready to tell is falling. Yeah, is to the abyss. Let me take a look at Tell again. Tell had bad news, guys. Right, so Tell had bad news. So again, Pablo posted that earlier. 30% here, right? So Tell had bad news. Um, right, so Tell had bad news. 30%. So bad news, and it's crashing. Damn. 35%. To where? To zero. Good morning, Yami. Hey, yo. Hey, yo, Yami.
Bottom.
Ish. Ish. I'm listening. It all seems easy. But when I tried, it's like, no, Jeff, that's how it is, though. That's why community is really important, right? So, 39% now. Oh, my goodness. We're good for 40%. You're done. I'm done. My weekend starts now. Tish. Yeah, criminal. An absolute criminal. 39% here. So and it's halted at 39%. Minus 39%, guys. So yeah, get bad news. It's not good news. So yeah. Contract termination. So to the bridge. To zero. Spy no look good either. So Spy made new lows here. New lows and then a bit of a bounce. I don't know if you can even call that a bounce, but we'll call it a bounce. Tash, where you going? Where you going? You know it's imagine waking up to that rubbish. Exactly, Hugh. Stonks. Some of these stonks, honestly, Hugh, are yeah. 40%. Back your bags. Anyways, yeah. Let me see what SLNG is doing here. Dips. Exactly, Stewart. Right. So now it's an SLNG here, right? Giving away all the gains, 10% now. So yeah, like one pump and dump is not good enough. Not on a Friday. Nope. So I don't trust that thing. Don't trust it. Yeah. And nope, AVCT dipping, right? So again, like on a Friday, like I mentioned before, right? So on a Friday, everything to me seems like a pump and dump. Right. So this is LITM here. It's trying now, Shannon. Right. So yeah, it's trying here to consult to hold above. I would need this thing to get above like 312 here though first. 312 or something. Coming back from a highs of the day, low of the day, Andrew Saba. cassava, 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 cassava. Mullen is green. One set. Mullen is green. No way, buddy. Mullen. Wow. Mullen is green. That's impressive. Mullen was down quite a bit this morning, wasn't it? Anyways, let me take a look at Mullen here. Is it time to buy the Mullen dip, guys? Is it time to buy the dip? Wow, Mullen is green. Mullen went from 33 cents and recovered all those losses. Wow. Mullen says, are you talking trash again about me? Yeah, we are. 306 for CEO here, though. 306, Shannon. You sound like you need a neti pot. What's a neti pot? A neti pot? Yeah, no, my mom's like I have a headache and like a mad cold. Like, my nose is stuffy. Neti, neti pot. Oh yeah, one of those one is still trash. Yeah, it is. Uh, oh, cool. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, I do need that. Yeah, yeah, I do need that. Yes. Peter, I beg, I will fight you. Got a YouTube it? Yeah. No, I see it now. I see it. A neti pot. Cool. Interesting. Very interesting. Pizza. And there goes Merlin popping actually. 2%. Wow. Merlin says, and what? And thrust. Sinuses, yeah. You're in bed already, Tish. Thousands of traders in 5 years. In 5 years, Merlin. Yeah. I mean, that is a nice discount for Merlin. 30 something cents. When there's close to 30 cents, that was a nice discount, right? So it was a nice discount. If you believe in Merlin long term, yeah, it might have been a nice scaling level, right? So, anyways, let me go back here and take a look at AMPX here because it's thrusting. 13, wow, AMPX looked good there. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, 19%? Damn. Yeah, yeah. What did you do, Jameson? What did you do? No, AMPX looks good there. Highs of the day. Let's go. Yeah. $14. 21% here, Virgo. Nice. I need to leave my nose again. Needs no, Merlin is going. Wow, 3%. Like how we call it going. It's 3%. Chill out. 3%. To 37, yeah. I'd be watching that, yeah, 37 and then 35 there, Joe. So we can stay above that, not too bad. And then again, right, so LITM is doing a good job of consolidating here at 308. It's holding that well on the left hand side here, right? So in Mullen says no chill outs. We go. We go. So I'm sure people like to do this, and I do this all the time. I love when like I watch stock for like days and days and days and days or however long, like red, 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 red. When that stock goes like when that stock goes from like red to green on a specific day, I like to play with that. Like that used to be like one of my favorite strategies. Just watch these stocks crash. Like ooh la la, you can crash. You can do it. You can do it. Wow. I mean that's a nice crash, right? And just keep watching it day after day after day. Red, red, red. And when you go from when you go from like a big red day all the way to green, it's usually a good sign for me. So we'll see. Let me take a look. Mullen keeps going. Mullen's gonna FOMO you. Don't FOMO, please. Don't FOMO. I would not FOMO. And then ATXH is doing well, right? So this one's mentioned. This one's been mentioned a few times here. You can crash ulala Hugh. Do you think Avaya from here will go up, Mustafa? Let me take a look. Do I think Avaya will go up? You can crash. Yeah, I mean, I don't mind Avaya. I got $1.50 here, right? So will he go up? Let me see. Via, because that's what we crashed to last time. But the difference here is, you notice the difference here between that crash and this crash is this time we held above the 50, the 20 EMA on the daily 20-day moving average, and the 20 again. This time we closed below yesterday and we're below today, right? So we closed below, so that's a bit of a problem there for me. Uh, like if I wanted to play this, Misan would be. I mean, if I wanted to play this, I would play this really tight, Mustafa. So for example, let's say I get in at $1.50. Now my stop loss is at the low of the day. My stop loss is at 145. If we break below 145, then I'm probably waiting for like 120 or something like that, right? So you can play that. Um, yeah, and then go from there. And then AVCT 3670 Dipsky. And LIT, yeah, everything's just slowed down here except for Mullen, guys. Everything is slowed down except for Mullen. Mullen is like, you're talking trash about me. You're talking trash. 8%, right? So when we pulled this thing up initially, it was up 3%. Well, it's at 8% now. It's a 40-cent resistance though, so I'd be careful there anyways. But yeah, that's a nice recovery because this thing's gone from -9% to up 9%, right? So that's not bad at all, right? So not bad. Not bad at all. 12 and 23. Okay, cool. You welcomes. Uh, I'm just daydreaming. I'm thinking about something else. Anyways, um, 2 cent spy 2 cent. There's a song coming soon, or the div song. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Yeah, no, say guy, be careful, guys. Right? Wow. BBIG is up. Mullen is up 11%. Mullen is up 11% and going. Mullen is up 13% and going. Damn, Danielle. Looking decent now. Yeah, there you go, poet. Right. So there you go. Not bad at all, right? There you go. Your 5,000 shares. Not I'm not falling for it. Hugh says I'm not falling for this. Yeah, if this was a penny stock, well, it is a penny stock. But if this thing had a small float, I feel like we would have already, Hugh. Short squeeze. Yeah, I bet you like it's a bit of that to an extent, right? So any news on sale? Yeah, Costa. They had some news. They had some bad news about losing a contract or whatever. Yeah, and the stock said, "Oh yeah, yeah, okay." Oh yeah, LITM there bounced and halted. What is it getting halted up for now? Like honestly, let me take a look here. Sell bounced and halted. Yeah, back to $2 here. This thing all the way to $1.50 actually. That's a solid bounce. Hugh, that's a solid bounce. $1.50 to $2. Wow, it's not a bad bounce at all. Unbelievable. Anyways, but just from a long-term perspective on MULN, it has more upside in your opinion. Yeah, from again, like I've always said this though, right? Like from a technical point of view, I don't mind MULN. That's never been my concern though. Good, tell good to short. Me can no, I would not do that. Like I'm not gonna short sell. To see, I wish I was in earlier. I I'd rather drop a 5 bill under the bridge than play with Mullen. Oh yeah, I know. People like some people would rather do that, right? So because Mullen has been painful for a lot of people. The people that just hold stocks, or the people, some of these stocks cause a lot of pain. So, and when they're bouncing, people don't want to play with them anymore, right? Mullen BBIG. So 320 LITM here. That's a solid bounce there. Hugh, you're not gonna get to 80. Not yet. It's okay though. Maybe it will eventually. Anyways, yeah, we'll see how Mullen does in the next hour or so. See if we can actually stay and hold these gains. I think it's an impressive bounce, right? I think it's impressive. AVCT bounce. AVCT is at 38. Yeah, it's bouncing, right? So for me, again, like as long as AVCT stays above that 35 level, I'm okay with it. If it breaks below, then that's a problem, right? So if we can get back above 40, that's fire. We can short it. We can short it. No thanks. AVYA. Ooh, AVYA. Yeah, AVYA is holding down 150 for now. So yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. And that's Cell. Cell is bouncing. Cell is on hold and back to 225. This thing was down 40%, guys. 40%. It's only down 18% now. 19%. That's impressive. Wow. Not bad. Not chasing. And also SPY is bouncing a bit there too. 24. Okay, cool. Yeah, Mullen is above 40 cents. Damn. 40 cents. I need to get some water quickly, guys. And then I need to get some water. Because I need to do a better job with that. How long till the Fed speaks? At 2 p.m. Eastern time. 2 p.m. Eastern. 2 p.m. So I just need to get some water over there and be back. I'll be back. Like pancakes? Pancakes. Clean Energy Alberta. What is that? Energy transition in Alberta. Today, ATXG. Let me take a look. ATXG. 45% on the day here. What are we failing at here? The 9, just like we did before. So like the 9 right there, and then the 9 right here. Uh, 1 second. Yeah, exactly, Jeff. Good discounts. Are you selling discounts now on IMPP? You get a discount. You get a discount. Uh, mm. MULN is running. Yeah, no, we know. We're watching. We're watching. Yeah, MULN is about 40 cents here. Poison, big y'all. Poison. Yeah, no, MULN's done really well. You get a discount. Come on, AVCT. Yeah. Come on, AVCT. Don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. Smash the like. Shorts covering. Yeah, probably. Don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. Smash the like. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, the membership link is pinned at the top of your chat there. So yeah, not bad. So yeah, make sure you become a member. Smash the like, hit that subscribe. Come join us in Discord. Pump it. Yeah, no, I just wanted to look at ATXH here, right? So interesting. Uh, cool. There you go. Many min. Many min. Agreement in connection with offering provides additional financial exchange for trading house of the company to extend excess period of warrants that part of the recent okay. Going to you thought it was gonna what, Virgo? I know you're in this one, right? So you're in this one here. There you go. 620 warrants with exercise price. Let me see here. Yeah, it's above. There you go. Okay, okay. There you go. Nah. My thoughts, Peyton. I'll take a look. I'll take a look. What's your position? Let me know what your position is, and I'll take a look. Yeah, see if we can come back on this thing here, right? Probably we'll come back and retest, right? So something like this, retest that previous top there, right? Previous top there, and then yeah, see if we can get back above $2 here. $2, ATXG, right? So yeah, not bad at all. Right. So most of you guys are in this already. I know you're in there, Virgo. I know you're in there too, Andrea. Criminals. Uh, there you go. So yeah. Yeah. Anyways, so that's that. What else is moving here? AVYA, nothing there. AVCT still holding 37 there, so not bad at all. And MULN is just consolidating here at 40 cents, which isn't bad actually. Yeah. So, anyways. The good one, no, it's not. Fine. There you go. Hugh, really Spy will do the balance all thing again. Probably Robbie. Probably. I do really do need to make peek. I'll take a look at that when I come back. When I come back, I will take a look. I really do need to go to. I need to skip this song and then get some water and then go to the bathroom though. I need a better song. There you go. The AVAX is at the highs of the day. Android, nice. There you go. Let's go. It's going. It's going. There you go. Right. So yeah, see if we can get above $2 here. You have one job. I'll be back in a second. Pump it above $2. You have one job. ATHX. There you go. Go on. It wasn't today. Yeah. Okay. I'll be back in a second. It's going. It broke above 3. It broke above 2. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. That was the emoji. Yeah. Hold it. Yeah, not quite holding above yet, $2, right? So it's gonna need to clear 2 and actually stay above $2 here. Which is never easy to do. Right? So never easy to do. I guess you guys did get it above $2 though. So and it's dip skiing now. So yeah, see if we come back and retest like $1.90 or something and then bounce again. So go from there. Oh yeah, 1 second. To Zach Morris, who? It's not me, Hugh. It's not me. It's not me. Come on, get it back above $2. We don't have time for rubbish. We have monies to make. Please and thank you. Get it back above two. Not bad. Come on. Two, 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 two. La, la, la. Ross, I was CNBC and they're talking about having a lithium short 2020, but future considering this is with Dave. Are you still here? I know you're asking about asking about lithium names, right? So CNBC is saying CNBC is talking about like a lithium shortage by 2030. So uh, hours. There you go. Question for everyone: which crypto platform do you all like for XRP? I think if you live in the states, I think it's like Uphold. No. Let me see here. Hmm. Uh, uh, wait. Yeah, Uphold. Yeah, that's different for you guys in the states because XRP is almost everywhere. Like you can buy it in Canada, you can have it on Binance, Crypto.com. You can have it everywhere. It's different in the states though. MULN at 42 of you knew it's helpless. Is MULN actually at 42 now? Damn, Danielle. No way. Yeah, MULN is at 42. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. MULN 42. Nice. Not bad. Not bad at all. And then ATH is back to the highs of the day. 2 or 3 here. Yeah, so yeah, be careful with this little spot here now at 204. Yeah, be careful there, right? So, hey, anyways, it's done well though. So, if you're in that, congratulations. Just be careful that just be careful. There's a bit of resistance here. So, helpless, yeah, not bad. Again, like Mullen going from red to green was a good sign, right? Good sign there. And ATH8, HCHX pumping. New highs of the day here, 208, right? So, 208. Zach Morris. Resistance? Nah, no ceiling. No ceiling is what it said. Resistance where? Who? Why? No ceiling. 210 and going. Yeah, yeah. On to the next. What's the next? Is it building a bull flag? AVCT is? Let me take a look. Um, I don't know if I would necessarily call it that like smasher. What time frame are you watching, by the way? I mean, I still I don't mind it. I think it looks fine still. So right, if we break below 37.35 again, like 30 35 cents, then it's a problem. right? Then it's a problem there. So, yeah. Okay, cool. I signed up for Uphold and using a debit card, and I wanted to agree to give him permission to uphold as my account. So you backed out. I know, Papa Frank. I know. I know. I would not do that either, Papa Frank. I would not do that either. Yeah, no, you can't. You can't do that. Absolutely not. Pablo, look at this criminal. Hugh, look at this. Pablo's like shower over. It was a good shower. Pablo, you're a criminal. You know that. Pablo says I have to go. I have to go. I have to go take a shower. Unbelievable. No, Pablo was gone for an hour or something like that. What a he was gone for a long time. Um, and yeah, no, be careful with that resistance there on ATS HX. Be careful there, guys. Right, there's resistance there. I would be careful. Capitan, what a good 2 minutes. He was counting his shower. We're gonna we're going together. No. What a criminal. Um, Crow is finally moving. Crow. Crow is somewhere on the list. Crow. Yeah, it's up 12% here while everything is deep red. That's interesting, actually. I know it struggled for a long, long time, right? So, yeah, Crow. What else here? What else is a penny stock here that's LITM has done a fairly good job. We know this one's a longer term play. It's done a fairly good job of just holding above this 308 level, hasn't it? Yeah, it has. LITM 308. I need some more momentum volume though. Again, it's Friday, so I would be careful anyways. I'm just expecting rug pulls for all these names. On a Friday, I just expect rug pulls. You get a rug pull, you get a rug pull, you get a rug pull. Everything gets a rug pull. $1 plus today. Salam? No. Stop spamming that rubbish, please. I don't go. Every day up 15% now? Yeah, more AMPX has done well. And TEL again, so TEL crashed obviously, right? Halted down $1.50 and then bounced aggressively. That was a really nice bounce for TEL, 20% bounce. And then AMPX here, AMPX, yeah, it stalled at $14. The AMPX stalled at 14, and then came back down. Oh, that's funny, guys. Who are you? These criminals in the chats. Who did that? Who in the chat did that? Yeah, again, 308. LITM is pumping, right? There it goes. LITM. Go. And once and thrust. Well, I guess that's your volume. Criminals. Anyways, yeah, see if we break out here now, though. Because I know we've struggled to get above 330 quite a bit. So, criminals. Criminals are what you guys are. Let's see here. And rug pull. Rug pull. Spy. Uh, that was Pablo for sure. You have arrived. Welcome, Parabolic former Tim Trip. Welcome. Yeah, that was Pablo for sure. Yeah, Spy is still looking for Diego Andorra, guys. I mean, he's done a fairly good job though. Like all morning long, Spy's done a fairly good job of just bouncing above like 6, 3, 6, 7, 40, whatever this level is. I mean, it's done okay here, but yeah, it's weak. I don't trust it at all, right? So I do not trust it. Canadians can buy LITM on World Simple. You know, it's funny. Like, why not? Like, so if you look at LITM, LITM is available in Canada and it's available in this like in the US, right? So because it's a Canadian company, obviously, so like it's available on the Canadian exchange. So you should be able to buy it. So you don't have to buy the US stock. Like if you search up LITM, it will come up in two symbols. It will give you either you want the Canadian symbol, it's the same thing, or the US one. So you should be able to buy the Canadian one, like Smasher. Can it just pump already, Kevin? Yeah, I know. I know. Um, yeah, Mindy called for 360. Mindy called for like 365, I think. Mindy, that's what you called for? 365, 360 something. But I think longer term, she's looking for, yeah. Mindy called for, yeah, 364 is what she called for. I think longer term though, longer term, she's looking for like 330, but that's long term though. So, uh, okay, big flag popping now. Okay, AVCT. Yeah, again, like I mentioned earlier, like for me, like I'm just watching this level here for AVCT, right? As long as AVCT stays above this level, we circled this earlier. There's 35 cents, right? Stay above that. Stay above 37. Higher low, higher low. It looks really good, right? It's going for 40 cents now, isn't it? Yeah. Booms, AVCT. Yeah, it looks really good there. So yeah, I don't mind that. Yeah, so AVCT potential buyout in FOMO squeeze. Wait, what else here? MULN is at 41, and then okay, booms. I need like wait, what time is it here in the US? Almost lunchtime. Yeah. Yeah, let's see where we are around. Let's see what the market is doing around lunchtime. Then we can just hop off. Feels like the more I talk, the hotter my head gets. I don't know. Anyways, so something needs to pump here so I can, so we can be distracted by the pumps. We need something to pump. Yeah, no, Spy just hit a new low, guys. Well, no, not yet. Yeah, it's about to. It's about to. Yeah, actually did I think on that candle there. Yeah, there you go. Spy new lows of the day and crashing. New lows of the day and crashing. uh, yeah, Spy is looking for. We should do a Discord voice chat. Those are fun. Yeah, no, they are. They are. They are. LITM is also dipping now too. So.
Bottom.
Spy is. Spy wants chaos. Look at this. Chaos. To where? Zero. I'm trying to be patient. I know, Mindy. Yeah, right? So, yeah. Don't worry. Probably you catch a IMPX. Yeah, those dippings. Zero, Virgo. Zero. 890 now. Nice. It's up. Volume is low. NA, someone mentioned in Discord. Yeah. Daniel? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, 9%. NA. I'll take a look at NA. La, la. NA. Nano. That's super low volume. 80,000 shares. That's what's scary about this, Daniel. Is that volume, right? But that's not bad. I feel like I'd be scared though because I've been sitting on them. Keep sitting on those hands, Mindy. Look at Spy. So unless we get that double bottom, I would just be, especially on the Friday too. Like, yeah. Anyways, like the thing too about NA, Daniel, is that yeah, look at Spygo. Damn. Okay then. Oh my goodness, look at Spy. Right. So the thing I don't mind about look at Spy. Spy is fallen and cannot get up. Right. So the thing I don't mind about NA here is again, I don't like the volume though, but apparently Wall Street Bets is pumping this. Someone posted this again in Discord this morning. Um, right. I don't mind it because it's testing a potential double bottom here, right? But it's bounced already up that bottom. Right, it's bounced off that bottom already here, so it might just be a name to watch to see what happens here to the close. See if it's still pushing, but damn, Spy. Oh my god, close the markets. Close the markets, please. Close the markets. Uh, that June low? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, be careful. Yeah. What is JP Morgan? Oh, Jerome Powell scheduled event. Let me take a look. Let me take a look here. So, Fed. The Feds. I was just reading through the. I just reading some of the Fed's rubbish there. Anyways, calendar. It usually tells you what they're talking about. Today's what, the 23rd. Uh, it doesn't say on here, so it's not. It's not one of those. Okay, here we go. Fed listens. Transitioning to post-pandemic economy. Okay, cool. Uh, anyways, yeah. So yeah, maybe that's what they're talking about. Anyways, AVCT still looks good here. Almost back to 40 cents. That sounds terrifying. Yeah. Uh, there you go. Now let me take a look at. Yeah, that's not a bad. Yeah, but I'd be careful though. What's CEO doing here? So CEO, we talked about this one earlier, right? So we've been watching this one today as well. It seems extended. It seems extended here. Um, CEO. Let me see. Uh, if that thing breaks below 310 again or $3, I'd be careful. Right below $3, I'd be careful. For now, it looks okay. Like if you're in it already, yeah, not bad. Oi. And spy puts? No, Mindy's just waiting. Mindy's waiting. Mindy's waiting on those spy puts, on those spy calls or something. Long, long, long. But yeah. No, 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 no. It's enough to forward puts. I know. Thank you, thank you, thank you, pizza. Thank you, thank you. Um. Anyways, yeah. So if that thing breaks below three, I'd be below $3. I'd be careful. Is MULN at 43 now? No way. MULN's at 43 cents now. Damn. MULN the thruster. Wow. 17 cent. 17%. Oh my goodness, MULN. Yeah, the MULN is looking good. MULN has done well. I feel like the bounce is due to happen, right? So if he caught that before it went from like before it went 17%, like if you caught like the transition from red to green, I'm sure you're happy. Peter, you're in some spy calls. Okay, spy calls. So, so I'm gonna wait until the volatility chills. Yeah, exactly. So yeah, and CEO is at 320 now. So yeah, CEO, yeah, it's holding well here, right? So CEO, not bad, not bad at all. And the LITM, yeah, not bad either, right? So I think it's been doing a fairly good job actually of staying above that 3 or whatever level. Actually, not bad, not bad. LITM here. Interesting. Anyways, but oh yeah, CEO, yeah. Highs of the day at 33. Okay, 232. Okay, not bad. Yeah, it's about to break out here now. So it's trying. What to play, Andrew? Oh, the scalps. No. AVCT wants to go. If it can break above 40 cents there, 40 cents is what it needs to break above there, Yahtzee. So it can pop any day. I mean, it's popping now already, though. Right. So there you go. Anyways, yeah, no, it's yeah. I would wait till like the end of the day or something like that before I did that, buddy. Or just a nice dip, right? So and then go from there. I would chill out a bit again. LITM still pumping. CO is at 325 here, so it does have some resistance at that level. Yeah, I mean, squeeze over a dollar. I mean, yeah, that's a big ask though, isn't it, buddy? Yeah, again, see how it closes. If that thing closes with volume, then Monday might be a lot of fun. Might be a lot of fun. No, MULN, no. So the way you're standing on the duck. Um, yeah. I mean, like both of these names. I mean, we watched MULN go from like 3% to 17%, right? So it's done really well already here. So the boat is maybe sailed a bit. And same thing for LITM, right? So again, LITM here. Um, we talked about it last night. We talked about this morning as well, and it's been popping. It's done a good job of consolidating here, 310, 308. So that's not too bad at all, right? So yeah, I don't know what I would do here with this one here. This one would be more of a longer term play. My nose is getting aggressive. Yeah. The shorts, will it hold? DNKD. You just have to watch until the end, right, and see what it does. Right, so you can't really tell what the shorts will do. That's not really something we can predict. 1 second. Anyways, no. Let's go. We have a new member. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Again, so like Smasher, welcome to channel support. Welcome, like Smasher. Thank you for the support, my fellow Canadian. Really appreciate the support. Thank you very much. Yeah, so thank you very much. Let's go. Welcome. Smash a like, yeah, guys. Again, if you haven't smashed a like yet, smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member yet, the membership link is right here. So yeah, um, so click that link, become a member, and if you want to join Discord, make sure you sign up for the Discord access level, because anything below that will not give you access to Discord. So make sure you sign up for the Discord access level. So before the for more AVCT, okay. There you go. And so CO here keeps failing at 325, right? So yeah, so like right, CO keeps failing at 325 here, so be careful. If that thing doesn't break soon, it's gonna send it to the bridge, right? So there he is. Come on, more Canadians in the chats, guys. Nick, come on now, let's go. Hatrita, let's go. Nick, it's good to see you. I know you've been busy. Good to see you. Nick is my neighbor, by the way. My neighbor. There you go. For AVCT, Kodai, you most likely missed it, right? So it's sitting on resistance here now. It's closer to resistance than it is support, right? So we talked about this support at 35 cents earlier, right? And consolidating above 37, right? Inverse head and shoulder. It's close to resistance now, so be careful there. Um, you sent me an email, Jeff? Okay. Okay. Look. Yes, it is. So that's SPY there. SPY is sitting at that fib level there. Interesting. If we can get a candle to consolidate it, it might be a little bit of a turning point there for at least for a little bouncy bounce. If not, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I don't mind that. Just yeah. Halted twice now. Okay. Oh, clarification. Okay. Is weak ready to 360? Yeah, SPY is weak, isn't it? Yeah, it's struggling there. And then again, so this is AVCT, right? Kodai, we just talked about this. It's dropping now, right? So we are when you get into these positions, you have to think about like risk to reward. In this case here, we are closer to we're closer to a wall than we are like you making money, right? That's AVCT resistance at 40 cents, and it's dipping now. So it's dip skiing. 91 again, curling of 91. Actually, yeah, like ATXG here, not too bad, right? Curling of 90 here. Well, 80 something, right? Up to 50 EMA there, so not bad. Not bad. Not bad at all. And then, yeah, like we talked about on CO here, CO, right? 325 and a sell off to the 20. So MULN 43 cents, 18%. Damn, Danielle. And then LITM 317 still, 316. Yeah. Sis, come on. Yeah, no, it's let me take a look at that email, Jeff. You sent to me. And just one Discord info. Okay, sounds good, perfect. Let me send Jameson. Let me send your dad the Discord invite. Discord invite. Um. Uh. Uh, 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 but, um, DT, here we go. Virgo, did you take care of that position by the way? CO, yeah, 325, right? HKD bottoms omega. That thing is not really a stock for bottoms. It really isn't. Um, Let me take a look. HKD here. That stock doesn't really like it's not the type of stock. It's at $59 now. Damn. It's not the type of stock where like you can say, yeah, this is the bottom, right? This is more of like a omega. Like it's more one of those stocks that you're watching, and if you can see the momentum shifting, then play with it. Because you can never really call just became a criminal goat. Yeah, Jameson. Yes, he is. Right. So yeah, it's not really. You just have to watch and see if it's trending higher. This thing's been trending lower all day today, Omega. So yeah, it's weak. Heavy classic Vader. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. So yeah, HKD will be yeah, and then CO. Yeah, it failed at that resistance there, right? So again, 325, right? Over and over and over and over, triple top, and then a sell off, right? So sell off, sell off, sell off. There you go. And Dipsky and MULN, yeah, a bit of a dip here. So yeah, Jameson, I think so. Has to be. Has to be. Has to be. Looking for the bridge, may buy some for fall pop. Yeah, let me take a look. Let me take a look. HUSA. 13% today for HUSA. Wow. Damn. This is why, honestly. Damn, that looks weak. And we talked about this too the other day, right, Jeff? How like when you look at these candles, like these candles are constantly making new lows and new lows and new lows and new lows. You want to be very careful with that because you just never know, right? So, wow. This is why you see stocks go up 100%, 200%, 300%. And this is why you also see stocks crash. When they're crashing, they really crash. Because people love momentum. People love FOMO. People love like stuff that's working, right? So if a stock is moving already and it's proving that it's working and going in the right direction, that stock will get more volume and more volume and more and more and more, right? So because people want to see stuff that's actually working. So sometimes again, when the stock isn't working, you just right, unless we're actually consolidating at support, and then that's a different story. You're on the bottom, you're on the top. I know, Peter. I know. I know. I know. uh, yeah, so that HUSA there. Let me take a look at EVTL here. Oh yeah, that thing had a nice little pop there. Yeah, 18%, nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. Wow. Impressive. EVTL. Impressives. What's that? Okay, never mind. And what's SPY doing here? SPY's actually consolidating at the bottom of that fifth there, isn't it? Yeah, right at the bottom of the fifth there. Double bottomish. Again, still don't trust it though, because it's failing at the 20 there now. Feeling XRP looks ready for another run. Yeah, I bet you as soon as the market closes there, Iron, I bet you stuff like XRP again will go, Algorand will go, right? So XRP, yeah, not bad actually. Yeah. And whatever direction these things pick at the close, I bet you like it's Saturday, Sunday, go, 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 right? So, and SPY just made a new low, right? SPY just made a new low. Like, I just don't trust it. Z, bro, Z. So we can dump again? Exactly. Right? So I don't trust it. Absolutely not. Director buys out. Oh my God. Close the markets. Close the markets, guys. Oh my lords. Close it. Um, Director, can someone close the market now, please and thank you? Please. Please, now. Buys 11,000 shares, increasing ownership to 38%. Okay. That news came out today, Danielle. Thank you very much. I appreciate that, Danielle. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah, SPY is just going down. It's tips. Wow. SPY. We need some more gifts, Mindy. Wow. You better be in some puts already. Wow. Wow. 365. No, I won't do it. I will not do it. Yeah. On the way up, yeah. Just crush it. Just give us 360 today, honestly. Anyways, you have 20 50 cent calls. Hope they keep pumping. Echo Legend, yeah. Right, I hope so. I hope so for you as well. There's something I wanted to look at here. I can't remember now. Zero is HOTS. Interesting. I'm just wanted to look at GOEGOVX director $1. Let me take a look at this actually. Yeah. La, la, la. So we talked about the stock in the past, right? Reduce authorized, okay, shares by wait, what? Why would they do that? Mr. Requirement majority. Unbelievable. Anyways, yeah. Everything's just a pump and dump, isn't it? Yeah, the stock had a nice rally from $1.12 all the way to $1.80, and then crashed again. So yeah. Looks weak now though. Daniel, this thing would need to stay above $1 here, right? If that thing like anyway breaks below $1, it doesn't close above $1 today, I think that thing is probably going to keep selling off to 70 cents, right? So it needs to stay above $1 at the end of the day today. Yeah. It needs to stay above that, above $1. Anyways, AVCT, yeah, be careful at 40 cents, guys. We will get rich. It's gonna crush everything though. gonna take everything with it. What do it, Vince? It depends on your position. It depends on your position, right? So, what did you get in at? What did you get in at, Vince? That's the question. Some sketchy over the last couple of weeks come out of nowhere. I don't want to be a part of on puts. Yeah, exactly. I mean, these guys have to find a way to destroy the puts, though, right, Mindy, into the end of the day, anyways. So yeah, I can see that. Take the money and run. Maybe Eve can get on the $1 and reverse split. And yeah, and then do an offering, Pablo. I just don't get the whole point of that stuff, honestly. I don't get it. Like, if that, like, if these guys were gonna do something, they should have done it right away with AMC, like dividend ape. Like, why not just do it? Like, why not just do it? You know what I mean? Like, like, what's the point of giving people a dividend, splitting it in half, and then having a crash to a dot? Like, cry, I'm not very AMC. It's another rubbish headache. It's going to 100x run. Why do you say that? Like, why do you think EVTL is going to 100x? Is going to be the next 100x. Why do you say that? Again, we've looked at that thing over and over and over, right? So we talked about EVTL for the last few months now. We've looked at the helicopters. We've looked at their website. We've looked at when they're launching, all that stuff. Like, why do you think it's going to 100x? Let me know. So yeah, because Ron is anyways, LITM is popping. It's popping, guys, right? So yeah, same level, like 310, 308, and it's popping again here. So there you go, it's going because Ron is a bot. With yeah, 2024, yeah. So 2024, oil is tanking, damn. Yeah, that's why, Jeff. So that's why all these energy names are struggling, right? Oil tanking. Look at that, oil, commodities, right? To the bridge. So we're holding IND, all these energy names. Some of them is struggling, right? So no, EVTL had news, we know. Yeah. La, la, la. So I can go raise Nick. Yeah, we need a squeeze though, James. You need to buy those SPY. When SPY hits 200, you need to buy those 400 calls, and then have it race to 400, and then big monies, big monies. Yeah, wow, 2%. Damn. S of yeah, 2%. La, la, la. What was that? That was back in. Oh, there comes Jim Cramer. Oh Lord, there comes Jim Cramer on CNBC. Impressive. That was yeah, okay. That was back in October. That was okay. Wait. Okay, that was June, July, 2022. Okay, July 2022. We're headed back for those lows. Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Crazy. So yeah. So we're approaching those bottoms there, right? Approaching that double bottom for all these exchanges. Guide to investing. Yeah, Jim Cramer's guide to investing. What does that even mean, honestly? What does that mean? What's he guiding you to? The bridge? To the bridge. To the bridge. What did they tumble 600 points 2022 closing? Okay. Jim Cramer's guide to investing. La 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 la. What is it taking? Yeah, it's a momentum plays, Jeff. momentum plays, right? A lot of, again, so energy, right? Lithium. Lithium isn't tanking. You see bond yields are rising in the next couple of it's changing the mindset to how the Fed gets price of stability without something breaking. Okay. Stability. SOBR is moving. The Kramer video. For laugh, please. Yeah, I need to like upload that video to stream, so I don't need to go like dig into the emails to find it. But I'll take a look. I will take a look. Ski. Oh, 921. Okay. I'm holding a bag of yeah, Daniel. Yeah, it's a nice name to keep an eye out for, right? So, oh yeah, that's what I wanted to look at. Canoe is what I want to look at here. No, the stock has done really well. It's done really, really well, right? 906 highs of the day, guys, right? So again, this was posted in Discord yesterday, right? It's done really well, slow and steady. Slow and steady. These guys are potentially getting bought out, or most likely getting bought out at some point, right? So, and Humana has become right. So Humana among firms looking to buy these guys, right? Humana. So there are no terms of the agreement yet. Several companies look, again, Humana is among several companies looking to buy a senior care facility operator. Reported shares of 50%, blah blah blah. Several weeks. Next several weeks, okay, sounds good. Three value at 3 billion. Okay, sounds good. Did not immediately respond to. Okay, cool. Yeah, there you go. Right, so buyouts incoming. Incoming. Company sell. Okay, cool. Yeah, well, it's done really well. Really, really well there. So, all right, all right, all right. There you go. All right, all right, all right. Bricks run or gamble. Yeah, exactly. Into the weekend here, guys. Yeah, be careful, right? AVCT here. Yeah, right. So, I mean, it's still holding that 37 level there, Joe. So, yeah. But the fact that we're feeling above 40 is obviously a red flag. But again, it's still holding 37, holding 35s. But yeah, if we start breaking down here, be careful, be careful, be careful. Is that MULN? Yeah, MULN 41, a bit of a dip. CO 309, okay, sounds good. And then LITM 320, cool. And SPY's going for a little bit of a curl, trying to curl here. It's trying off the bottom fib. Peter, there you go. Are you at the bottom or are you at the top? Bottoms or tops? Everything's fine. Everything's fine, guys. It's okay. It's fine. And then bridge. And then bridge. And then bridge. SPY 320, 340 should close below June. Yeah, below that 360 whatever. Yeah, right. So yeah. CNBC talked about, yeah. So some of these banks are calling for that. I know Mindy mentioned 322 as what she's looking for if we break below those levels. Yeah. So it seems like a lot of you guys are looking for a lot of those levels. Very similar levels, right? So yeah. Let's go. Again, 9 more people smash a like, guys. If you haven't smashed a like yet, come on, 9 more. Smash a like and yeah, smash a like. Smash a like, please, and thank you. And let's get to 100. 100s. 330, 330, okay. 330. And then so smash a like. And if you're using Robinhood and you don't like it, or if you're using Weibo and you don't like it, you most likely like it. Or if you have PDT and you need another broker, sign up for Mumu, right? So again, here's a quick comparison of like how Mumu stacks up to the other brokers, right? So you can take a look at this little screen here, a little comparison, right? So I don't want to go through all of these through these one by one, right? But again, so like level 2 data is huge. right? And that's available on Mumu for free, right? So it's not available on Robinhood, is it? Right? So extended hours is very similar to Weibo. So you can call it the Mumu Weibo crowd now, right? So pre-IPO is coming for these guys. Right, you have short data as well, which is massive, right? So short data is a big one, short sailing data, right? So you can have that as well on Mumus, right? So yeah, again, quite a few things here as these guys try and catch up to the rest of the market, right? So sign up for Mumu if you haven't already. That's your weekend task, signing up for Mumu, right? So if you sign up for Mumu, here's some of the things you get, right? Free monies, right? So is it free? Well, right. So again, if you open up an account, you get a free stock. Why would you not do that? Is my question. I don't know, right? So and if you deposit some monies, you get more free stuff, right? So there you go. Anyways, so make sure you sign up for Mumus. It's vital. Yeah, exactly. Like level 2 data is huge, right? So here's the link to sign up for Mumu, guys. Um, there will be a loan and go all in 320. So again, that's the link in the chat there, guys, to sign up for Mumu. You get a free cow. Yeah, you get a free cow, right? So there you go. So yeah, make sure you go sign up for Mumu, right? So the link is right there in the chat, and man, they offer some pretty big things, some pretty amazing things, right? So play for a big move on value. Oh yeah, Jameson, yeah, right. So some pretty cool things. So yeah, make sure you go sign up, and yeah, there you go. Level 2 data. No, I think they offer some pretty cool things for free. Yeah, MIDI 330. MIDI 330 is when you get a. Yeah. I mean, if you're gonna buy calls on SPY too, like when we get to like the low threes, these have to be like longer dated calls. So at least you give yourself like give yourself some time to right, because yeah, give yourself some time. Give yourself some time. In the money as if you can afford them, yeah, as close in the money as possible, yeah. On those calls, yeah, exactly, exactly. CO 317 here. Nah, 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 nah. Yeah. Let's see here. Jameson, where's that song from again? Let me see. Let me click on the thing here. No, original copyright free music. But you must include the following in your video description. So I have to include that stuff, Jameson, in the description there. So I need to go. So I need to include that stuff, right? So if you look at what they're saying, like you have to include that stuff in your description if you're gonna use it. Easy to XRP, yeah. Is it FOMO or is it Momo? Momo? It's both. Tops, what a scam. Yeah, most things are a scam on a Friday. Get a free cow, sell the cow for Magic Beans, straight for Golden Goose. Let's go. See, Gary? Gary? Yeah. Yeah, no, S Mike, yeah, Mumu. So again, if you want a new broker because you're dealing with PDT, or if you need some extra benefits, or if you just want some free monies, yeah. So again, that's the link in the chat there. CEO is bouncing here, right? Nice little bouncer for CEO. LITM, again, most of these names are dipping into the close here, guys, right? So most of them are just dipping, right? So again, SPY is hitting a potential double bottom there. I don't trust it to hold, but we'll see. Tops, yeah. Is getting you excited. AVCT, yeah, AVCT is right here, right? So yeah. If that thing would just break above $1, if that thing would just break above 40 cents there, Joe, yeah, it would move, right? So really move. So yeah, let's give it a little bit more time here, and then we can hop off and watch these names in Discord. So and go from there. Yeah, yeah. And let me take a look at top here though. Is that, did I pick the right one? Why does it keep doing that? What a scam. Yeah, I bumped and just dumped. I mean, it's consolidating here now though, so mm, yeah, see if we can stay above 220 here, dapper Dan, right? So if that thing doesn't hold, it might be a problem. Hey yo, Christy, good morning. Right, so yeah, so watch that. Come on, AVCT, what are you doing? Rubbish. Spy's looking for zero. Z1, zero. Is the Fed speaking today? Yeah, the Fed is speaking later today, 2 p.m. Eastern time. I don't think we'll be on at that point at that time though. Probably not. Probably not. Right, right. For sure, for sure. There you go. It's another stock to trick people. Yeah. So where's the free level two? S Mike. If you sign up for Mumu, you get level two data. S Mike. Right. So that's one of the benefits there. Right. So again, look at that list. Right. So look, point number two there. Yeah, free level two data. Right. So you have to sign up for the yeah. So again, the link is in the description of the video, and it's also at the bottom of the chat here now. So again, what are they speaking about? They're speaking about this here, spies crashing there now again. Again, transitioning to a post-pandemic economy. So they're just talking about the same rubbish they've been talking about uh, post-pandemic. Like that's not the biggest problem, is it? Well, I guess it is. It's all tied in together. But yeah, spies looking for zero. Z who? Zero. 2% for the S&P here, guys, and just dipping and dipping. 365. Wow, I am. Let me pull up the daily here for SPY. So I know we talked about this already, and it's a complete mess. But anyways, yeah, 62, whatever, right? So there's still more room to go here, right? More room. So SPY, give us the double bottom. Just keep going. Anybody looking to buy SPY calls yet, or all just waiting? All just waiting for the bridge. I feel like at this point most people are waiting. At this point on this Friday. I feel like we're all just waiting. But yeah, let us know if you're doing otherwise. Hey yo, Jadine, hi. You're waiting? Okay, there you go. So let's see what happens. Spice taking AMC with it, yeah. You're waiting for that bridge, yeah. It's not on any of the copy. It's not okay. No, so like what they're saying, Jameson, is like if you look at the description of the video, radio static, they're asking you to like to put the, like see, so like the image you sent me, you have to put like the like the content in the description as well, which is fine. So I just need to do it, but which is okay. Why your puts? Yeah, no. If you're holding puts, still printing, absolutely printing, because it's straight down to zero. No, I think EVTL is being spammed now by bots. I think that's exactly what's happening there. EVTL, because it's all the same message, all the same message, all the same message. Oh, was it? Oh, it's bright. Everything like the lights. You need on the watch. I know. I've seen that ad. I've seen it. I do, Pablo. I do. I need the watch. The watch. But I like yeah. AVCT. What is it doing? Oh wow, that's a pop up. Right. So okay, like I don't mind that thing. It just needs to get above 40 here already. Oh wow, that was a pop. I think popped to 40 cents and then came back down to 39. When halts, never, never, ever, ever. But in the smallest, yeah, there we go. Come on now. I feel like you guys are just waiting for this here. Uh, make it so easy. I know. The next, wait on the next leg. Next leg of Survivor of Amazing Race. Amazing Race. People are gonna panic so quickly, Jameson. Imagine. Imagine. It works great to it does, Pablo? Okay. Launch. The Vaj. Yeah. It needs to break above 40 cents here. I mean, it's done a really good job. It's done a really, really good job of just, not crashing, right? So that thing can break above 40 cents. I think it'd be exciting. If we make a new low here, because we've been making higher lows since that, right? Low, 35 cents. That was a beautiful one, right? So, and then it's just been higher after that. So, yeah, if we break below one of these lows here, then we might have a problem here. We might have a problem. 160K ready to pump in around 40 cents, Joe. Oh, okay. Buying pressure just yet? Yeah. Lavage. Yeah, I've seen the commercials quite a bit. Yeah, 40 cents. Come on, give us more. Give us more. That saved us, Andrew. The whale. Whoever did that at 37.6, yeah. Like, come on. 58 R7, yeah. HKD. Oh, here it goes, here it goes, here it goes, here it goes. Here it goes. Can you actually break above 40 and stay above 40 though, right?